Today I'm going to show you how to make this really cool Minion Pumpkin. Start by taking a pumpkin, try to get one that kind of resembles the shape of a minion rather than a squashed flat one. Then use a sharp knife to cut a hole at the back of the pumpkin like this. Scrape out all the insides with a spoon. And when it's cleaned out, it should look like this. Next, draw on your minion design. I started with a single eyepiece and the goggle straps. I gave him a smile, then drew on the dungarees. And finally some strands of hair. I decided to make the eye goggle a little bit larger. And this is going to be an eyelid with the pupil peering underneath. We're going to start by cutting out the hair. And the idea is we're going to leave the black lines in place and remove the pumpkin skin around them. If you're doing this pumpkin design, you do need to go careful. Take your time, it is quite intricate in places. Work your way all around both sides of the head. Then when you're done, cut out the line for the goggles. And remove the pumpkin skin up to there. If you wipe off any ink at all whilst you're working on it, you can just draw it back on. Carry on working your way all around the pumpkin, removing all the pumpkin flesh. Don't forget to leave the skin on for the smile. And do be careful not to cut yourself. I drew the eye detail back in, then cut it out, and removed the skin for the eyelid. Then I cut out the shoulder straps for the dungarees, drew the pocket on a bit better, and cut out the outline. And finally I drew the G logo on the pocket, carefully cut it out like this, and added a couple of buttons on the dungaree straps. I cleaned up all the peelings and tidied the minion up a little. And here's our finished pumpkin. And he's looking really good. Next I took some yellow plasticine, rolled it out, and shaped it into a couple of arms. I used a cocktail stick to help attach a couple of gloves, then pinned it to the body with a couple more cocktail sticks. For shoes, I got these fluffy black pom-poms and sat him on those. If you've got a couple of small child's shoes, you could use those. And there's our Minion Pumpkin complete. He looks really cool, even before we light him up. He's got some really nice detail. And he's great fun to make. I used a small flashlight torch inside to light him up, and I put back on the cover which I'd already removed the skin from. Dim the lights, and there's our glowing Minion Pumpkin. Pretty cool, huh? It does look really impressive. If you've got any Minion fans in the house, they'll surely love him. I'm really pleased with how he's come out. And it would be great for a party. You could make a whole line of them. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more amazing Halloween videos, you can click on the links or take a look at my YouTube channel page. Stay safe, have fun, and as always, thanks for watching.